Chairman. Mr. Secretary and General, thank you very much for being here. You know, Mr. Secretary, every time we have a chance to talk, we talk about the Rock Island Arsenal, and we're very proud of the Advanced Manufacturing Center that we have there. Really appreciate when you visited there with, along with me and Senator Durbin. With that in mind, you released an advanced manufacturing policy, and so I want to ask if you can elaborate how you see our Center of Advanced Manufacturing Center of Excellence supporting your strategy moving forward.
This is a capability that we need to have from an expeditionary standpoint. So as much as having the technology to be able to produce parts, is that they're going to have to help us figure out how to make it expeditionary in nature. So you can put these 3D printing machines in a Connex and forward deploy it with a formation, because that's where you'll be able to, quickly get a part produced, put it into a combat vehicle or a helicopter so they can get it back up and keep those OR rates very high. So this is a very strategic priority of ours. The challenge that we think we're going to face with additive manufacturing, we're working hard with industry, because this is a place where intellectual property with a part is something where we have general purpose rights on everything, but it's how we write this into contracts so that over time we can produce them. We see, challenges ahead. Is going to take a lot of communication, in particular. But this is something that we would want to have in all of our platforms in the future, along with predictive maintenance as well, so we can make those right calls before the part breaks while you're in the middle of an operation.
General?
I absolutely agree, Congresswoman. This is transformational for how we do logistics in the field. Rather than carrying around, thousands of parts, if we can make them, and it
Right.
keeps kids off the roads. They don't have to drive trucks. It saves money. We never quite get right which part we may need, so we have to carry them all, and it can take weeks to get them. So I think this is the future.
So how can the center help with establishing a database of spare parts?
Well, I think the way it can help, and the Secretary mentioned that, is, as we contract in the future, you can probably see this in the contract. Hey, we want to be able to manufacture so much of these parts. And it may not be all of them, because we'll still have a logistics chain, but we're going to have to get a little more finesse in how we can get the intellectual capital to do these type of things, because that's how industry makes money. They make money on the logistics and the sustainment. That's going to be all part of the deal as we move in the future.
And with the older platforms, Congresswoman, if we're going to have to get college students to go to graduate engineering programs so that we can convert these old drawings into digital drawings, because that's how you perfect the tensile strength. So when you reproduce it, it's within the percentage of being 100% accurate to the drawing that was written 30, 40 years ago. So we're going to have a lot of these platforms in the formation for a long time. So it's perfecting that. We have relationships with Northwestern University, with Wichita State and others around the country, and they're helping us looking at these old drawings of these weapon systems, turning them into digital drawings so a machine can produce the part in real time.
So are you looking at the center that we have at the Arsenal to help be the test bed for new concepts in advanced and additive manufacturing that can help fulfill the strategy?
Absolutely.
Okay. All right. General, anything else to add?
No, I just think it's really important transformational work. It's what we're going to be doing in the future, and that's going to be like a center of excellence. So, and we need to move in the future. We need to get in the information age, and that's what it's all about.
Very good. Mr. Secretary, we'd love to have you back there. Come visit us again.
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Thank you very much. I yield back.
Thank you very much. Gentlemen, the Army